Hey everybody, it's Tracy here at Guitar Tech Corner in California. I want to show you this repair I'm doing on a 1991 Les Paul Special, and it's a black finish, and somebody had scratched all the way through the clear coat into the black and all the way down to the mahogany, so there's a pretty deep crack here. So I'm going to clean it out with a clean paintbrush, and then I'm going to take a Q-tip, spray a little glue dry accelerator on it, and wipe it right through there. Then I'm going to take the masking kit, which you can buy from GluBoost, and apply this as close to the crack or the scratch as it is on this as you can, pressing really firmly, and then do the other side, and then have both sides meet so you don't have any chance for the glue to run out. So you have this little channel in there, and then I'm going to come one more time with the Q-tip and the glue dry and the paintbrush. Now I'm going to use the really fine tip on the edge of this bottle so I can get right to the point. But one thing about this black fill and finish, make sure you shake the bottle completely for about a minute before applying it. That dissolves everything and gives it all the uniform appearance. So when it comes out, as you see right here, it's going to come out nice and dark. So I'm going to run a little bead right into there. And I'm going to do that all the way through, and then spray a little bit of the glue dry accelerator, not too much, just a dusting. I'm going to let it dry for a little bit, and then I'll come back. I like to let it dry about 45 minutes just to be safe, because it's on top of lacquer and lacquer will melt underneath it, and this just allows me to test the finish so it's nice and hard. So there's a couple low spots, so I'm going to come back and just fill those up again. Make sure you shake the bottle and spray some more glue dry, and I'm going to wait about 30 minutes on this one, and then I'm going to take off the masking tape, and I'm starting to sand with about 320 just to kind of level it down. So now I removed all the tape, and I also put, if you notice, a piece of blue tape over the control panel edge. That will keep the fine dust from going in there that can affect your potentiometers when you're using 800 grit. So I took it over to the buffer, buffed it out. I'm going to put a little bit of guitar polish right here onto the cloth itself, not onto the repair, and just wipe it on there slowly, let it dry, buff it out, and come back and feel for it. This is completely flush, completely level, and invisible now. So this is a repair. You know, if you give the wait time of the curing just to be safe, you can have this done in a half a day versus a half month using regular lacquer. It's a wonderful product. I highly endorse it, and I think you'll actually enjoy this and use it for many, many different kinds of repairs. Remember, it does stay flexible, so it'll bend with the wood and expand with the wood and the finish. So again, this is Tracy from Ventura, California, Guitar Tech Corner. Thanks.